so we comes to the second last topics, and I will it will together with the last topic, which is binomial vector and also torsion. Okay, together I will explain it together. So we start with the binomial vector first. So we denote it as B. So binomial vector we denote as B. So B is equal to T cross N. Cross product. Okay, cross product is just not a simple multiplication. It's a cross product. So T cross N. Okay, so this is a formula for binomial vector, and the formula for torsion. Okay, this we denote as a torsion. Macam hal lah kan. Okay, so torsion is given by the magnitude of B prime over magnitude of R prime. Okay, so means that to get torsion, you need to calculate your B first. So you need to get your B and then find the B prime and also the magnitude. So yeah, that's why I said this is related to B binomial lah. Okay, and if you can see binomial is related with the unit tangent and also principal unit normal. So you need to calculate T and N first, then baru you boleh solve for B. Okay. Alright, so I will show you the example. So example, the question asks you to determine the unit binomial vector and torsion. Okay, for RT equal to 3 sin Ti plus 3 cos Tj plus 4Tk. Okay. Alright, so first thing first, that what we need to do is get, I prefer that you to write the formula first. So this is the formula for B and this is the formula for torsion. Okay, so to get B, you need to find your T cross N first. So means that you need to find your T unit tangent first. So T is equal to R prime over magnitude R prime, is it? So yes, you need to find your R prime first. What is your R prime? So your R prime will be 3 cos Ti minus or plus negative 3 sin Tj plus 4k. Okay, so this is your R prime. So the next thing is you need to find the magnitude of R prime. So magnitude of R prime is equal to 9 cos square T plus 9 sin square T plus 16. So yeah, cos square sin square you can equal to 1. 9 plus 16 is 25, so which is equal to 5. So your T equation is equal to 3 cos Ti plus or minus 3 sin Tj plus 4k equal to square root 5. Okay, settle for T. So now we need to find your N. So N here is equal to magnitude T prime over magnitude T prime. Okay, so you need to differentiate your T. So what is your T prime? It will be negative 3 sin Ti plus negative 3 cos Tj over square root 5. Okay, so this is your T prime. And what is your magnitude? Okay, so it will be 9 sin square T over 5 plus 9 cos square T over 5. So square root, you have 9 over 5 will be 3 over square root 5. Okay, betul tak ni? 3 over square root 5 because of this one square root 5. Sorry, this one would be 5. Sorry okay, so this one is just 5. Okay, I'm sorry, so my bad. So this is a 5, so means that is over 5. Okay, So means that will be 25, 25, 25. So your answer will be 3/5. Okay, so this one the correct one, 3/5. So the magnitude of t prime is 3/5. So we just substitute back into the formula here. So you can see that they have 3, 3, 5. So you can factorize 3/5 here. So inside here they have negative sine ti minus 3 cos dj over, okay, over 3/5 here. So they have cancel, so means that your n will be negative sine ti plus or minus 3, sorry, not 3 dah cancel, so cos dj. Okay, I hope that you can see my answer lah. So I just repeat again, negative sine ti minus cos dj. So that one will be your n. So you already have your t and also your n. So now we want to find, this is the question they ask you to find, which is b, 3 cross n. So they have ijk here. So the first line here, you need to write your t equation just now. So your t equation will be 3 cos t over 5, and then negative 3 sine t over 5, and the last one will be 4/5. Okay, and then what is your n? Your n just now is negative sine t, negative cos t, and your k will be 0 lah, because they have no k, right? Okay, so we will solve it by using cross product. So means that to get your I, you need to close the column I. So here is 0 minus minus, so plus 4/5 cos ti. Okay, and the next one is minus. So 0 minus will be plus 4/5 sine tj, and the last one will be plus, okay, negative 3/5 cos square t minus, so minus 3/5 sine square t k. So simplify, you have 4/5 here cos t minus 4/5 sine t j, and plus, okay, for this one you have negative 3/5, negative over 5, so it's the same thing, right? So you can factorize it. So you will left with cos square plus sine square, and it's equivalent to 1. So means that you will have negative 3/5k. Okay, so I repeat the answer, 4/5 cos ti minus 4/5 sine tj, and if you open this bracket, it will be minus 3/5k. So this is your B. Okay, we settled on B. So you have done, or you have find out the answer for the first one, which is the binomial vector. So now we go to the second one, which is a torsion. Okay, so just now the torsion formula is given by B prime, magnitude B prime over magnitude R prime. So magnitude R prime is already calculated. No, so for now you will just calculate for B prime, magnitude B prime. So B prime first. So what's your B prime? It will be 4/5 sine t I. So minus 4/5 cos t j. Okay, so this is your B prime. So to get your magnitude B prime, so you have here is 16/25 sine square t plus 16/25 cos square t, and 16/25 is equal to 4/5. So this is your magnitude B prime. So just substitute back here. So 4/5. So what is your magnitude R prime just now? It's 5, right? So your answer will be 4/25 for torsion. So this is the final answer for torsion. Okay, alright. So if you can see that it's related to each other. I mean, to get binomial vector, you need to get t and n first. To get torsion, you need to get B first. So to get B, you need to, so it's related. Dia memang ada kaitan for each. So make sure you understand or you know for all of the formula, because I think it's easy for you to score this question actually. It's very easy unless you do a careless mistake. So that's mean you will get lose marks lah. Okay, so make sure you calculate carefully. Yeah, even though you can see that the step will be much, they have many steps that you need to calculate, but it's just follow the flow. So it's easy, right? Okay. Alright, so I think that's it for this topic. So I have already shown you the example. So if you want to do it another more example, you can refer to the slides. Okay. And of course, do the exercise also. And then what else? Yeah. So this is our final chapter and also my final video for you. Okay. Alright, so hopefully that you can score this subject, and then yeah, they have if you feel that they have not enough example or not enough question in the slides, you can refer to any other sources. You can just type in Google any topic that you want, so it will come up for you. Okay. So and one more thing, if you want to feel like how to sit, I mean the feel of sit for the final exam, you can refer, you can browse the library website, like I give you in the WhatsApp group, right? So you can browse it and you can download and answer it. But they have no schema. Okay, they have no answer schemes. You can try, I mean you can ask among your friends first. Okay, you can exchange the answer with among your friends. Okay, and if you feel that they have still didn't get the answer, yes, you can reach me. Okay, you can ask me. But yeah, I didn't have the schemes. Okay, the answer schemes. Alright, okay. Thank you for all. Okay, see you.